Our hands suffer from the loss of elasticity and aging. It happens because they are exposed to photoaging and to daily aggression, like using dish soap and frequently washing your hands. These two things together can affect your skin. The most common harms are wrinkles, reduction in the thickness of the skin, and sunspots. Did you know that most people don't do anything to slow down this process? Most people don't take care of their hands with the same attention they have to their faces. So, if you wish to lessen the appearance of old hands, you can use these simple and efficient homemade medicines. Here are the main 5 homemade solutions for wrinkly hands. 1. Lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is very efficient to treat wrinkles. Its high levels of antioxidants protect the skin from the harmful free radicals and also from UV radiation. Mix 4 or 5 drops of lavender essential oil in 2 tablespoons of warm extra virgin olive oil. Massage your hands in the morning right after your bath. Do it again before going to sleep every day. 2. Ripe banana. A ripe banana is an amazing thing for wrinkly hands thanks to its moisturizing properties. Rich in vitamins A, B, and E, iron, magnesium, zinc, and potassium, it helps with the rejuvenation of the skin and also fights wrinkles. Mash 1 ripe banana and apply the resulting paste on your hands. Let it act for 30 minutes and rinse with warm water. Do it once a day. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is also very efficient to treat wrinkles. It has moisturizing agents that help retain the water on skin and also prevent the signals of premature aging, like wrinkles. Aloe vera gel also contains polysaccharides that stimulate skin regeneration. Remove the gel of a fresh aloe vera leaf. Apply it on your hands with a gentle massage. Leave it on your skin for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Do it once a day. 4. Avocado. Another fruit that can keep your hands soft and wrinkle-free is avocado. Avocado is rich in antioxidants and also has powerful anti-aging properties that can undo your wrinkles and keep your hands soft. It also improves collagen production, which will keep your skin tight and elastic. Use avocado oil to massage your hands daily before going to sleep. Let it stay overnight and wash your hands in the morning. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil has many culinary uses, but this healthy fat can also keep your hands very soft and free of wrinkles. It nourishes the skin, and its high levels of vitamin E, together with the essential fats, will stimulate collagen production and reduce wrinkles. Besides that, this oil is also good to keep the signals of premature aging away. Apply olive oil on your hands and massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, wear cotton gloves to keep your hands moisturized. Do it every day before going to bed. The next morning, wash your hands with warm water. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.